It was a good day for Kenyans in Poland as Gilbert Masai and Gladys Kipkoech won the men and women's Warsaw Half Marathon respectively, securing a Kenyan double at the IAAF Silver Label road race. Masai won in 1 hour, 1 minute and 43 seconds, leading a Kenyan sweep, with Peter Kirui taking second and Silas Kiptoe completing the podium. Kipkoech won the women's race in 1 hour, 10 minutes and 19 seconds, just 6 seconds shy of the personal best she set on her debut last year. Tabitha Wambui was second, while Ethiopian Abebech Mulugeta prevented another Kenyan podium sweep, finishing third. Wow!